In this tutorial, I will show you how to send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap on Snapchat. Launch your Snapchat app. The camera will open by default. Press and hold the capture button to record a video for just 1 second. Don't worry, we will delete this video shortly. Once the video is recorded, a small thumbnail of it will appear in the lower left corner. Tap on the thumbnail of the video you just recorded on the right side. You will see more options including a gallery icon. Tap on the gallery icon to open your camera roll. From your camera roll, select the snap you want to send as a normal snap. Once you've selected the snap from your camera roll, it will appear along with the video you just recorded. Tap on the video, the one you recorded at the start, to highlight it. A bin icon will appear. Tap the bin icon, then confirm by clicking delete. Now only the snap you imported from the camera roll will remain. Preview the snap to ensure everything is correct. Tap the Send to button to send the snap as a normal snap from your camera roll. That's how you can easily send your camera roll as a normal snap in just a few simple steps.